Good evening, everybody. My name is Ridhima Sharma, and me and my companion Mariam Masood have created this PPT on the idea of waste to electricity, which is based on the theme Energy and Transportation in the ATL Marathon. We are from the ninth grade. So, how can we convert into electricity? So, first of all, the question arises is that how much trash can be used in that, and how much trash is produced in India per day? So more than 1.50 lakh metric ton of trash is produced in India, and which is just thrown away in the landfills, and it just stays here for hundreds of years and does not degrade. So is there any way we can utilize trash for our use and make it a resource? Yes, there is a way, which is converting trash into electricity. So how can we use trash to create electricity? We know there are various kinds of energies, heat, light, chemical, there are so many of them, and we can generate electricity from energy from particular generators. So basically there will be trash which will be collected by garbage trucks from our house, and instead of throwing the trash away in the landfills, for example, we have seen the huge landfill in Ghaziabad. So instead of throwing that trash away there and causing so much pollution, we can take that garbage to some particular incineration plants which will be in an isolated place, and those incineration plants will burn 24 hours and 7 days, and it will be cooled down and treated. Now above the incineration plants there will be a huge boiler which will contain water. That boiler in that boiler the water will be heated, and by the boiling there will be heat energy generated, so we can create electricity from that. How can we create that? So above the furnace there will be a thermionic generator. So thermionic generator is basically a generator which can convert heat or light energy into electric current by like there will be two metallic plates, okay, with the different temperature, and they will be separated by vacuum, and uh, that hot plate like it is heated, and then all the electrons will be evaporate from its surface. Now what about the ash and air pollution? So below the incinerator there will be a tube containing a magnet which will get the trash and store it below the ground, and then the ash will be taken by the trucks for the construction of roads. And yes, you are right, we can convert that poisonous plastic ash into roads. So actually that after that garbage will be burned at extremely hot temperature and then cooled down and strained. The ash will be used in three ways, can be used in three ways. So actually we all have heard of lime rock. It is a material which is used in the construction of roads, and it is topped by asphalt to create the top layer of the road. So actually we can like replace ash with we can replace this lime rock and put ash. Now what about the pollution? So there is a way, there are many ways, but one of the way is baghouse system. So it is actually it will actually, in this there will be a baghouse which will collect the material, and in that all this residue and all will be separated, and it will be like after the separating, that residue will be kept will be stored, like there will be a particular compartment and that residue will be stored there, and then the clean air will be filtered again, because at the end of that pipeline we will add a filter in which from which it will like filter out the air, and this is how baghouses work. This was our idea. I hope you like it. Thank you.